Welcome to IS6FX tutorial video. In this video, we will guide you on how to register as an introducing broker. To register as an IB, visit our website and click on the Partners section. Select Partner Registration. You will be directed to the IB registration form. Enter your email address. Then enter your first name, middle name, and last name. Please read the partner terms and conditions, then check the box to agree. Click on Apply as a Partner. Review the information you've entered. If everything looks correct, complete the Captcha verification. Click the button to submit after agreeing to the terms of use. You'll see a message saying, "Thank you for applying as a partner." However, you still need to verify your email address. Go to your email account and open the email from IS6 Technologies Limited. Click on Verify your email address. You will be redirected to a new page that says, "Partner registration is complete." Click the button to go to the partner-only page. Enter the email address you used for IB registration. The password will be sent to your email. Check your email, then enter the password and click Login. Congratulations! You have successfully completed your partner registration. Thank you for choosing IS6FX Partner. We wish you success.